Right, had one of these bulbs go with 3 pins, 1, 2, 3. Fits in like so. But these are a bit of a pain, very hard to find, and I think the only reason for them is they fit them in houses where they want low energy bulbs, and you can only get low energy bulbs with 3 pins. But you can get plenty, if you look down here, plenty of low energy bulbs with the good old fashioned 2 pins. Easy to find everywhere. So we're going to change this pendant up here for this, just the end of the pendant. For that one, it takes a normal 2-1. Super easy job. First of all, you've got to know how your electrics work in the house and make sure you've isolated the wires, make sure the electricity for your light pendants. If you don't know how to do this, don't mess around with it, because you are messing with mains electrics, but I know what I'm doing. So you've got 2 goes in from the side on this one. There'll just be 2 screws on the top of each one of these, and you've just got to disconnect them. Screw it out a bit, twist it around. Screw it out. There you go. You just have 2 wires like that. And then you get the new one. Come around here. The new one. Take the top piece off. Thread that through those. And this new one comes with like a little clip, so you can you don't need that. First of all, just slacken these off a little bit. So if you see that screw, open that up so you see you've got that clear. Same with that one. Screw it out. Don't screw it all the way because it'll screw fall out, but just screw it so you've opened, get the wire in. Doesn't matter which way these go. You push that in there. Make sure it's nice and secure in. Tighten that up. Go under like that. Another one in there. There you go. So just make sure they're in nice and securely. Screw that top bit down, and then you can get good old-fashioned bayonet 2-pin bulb, put it in, and then we'll go downstairs, turn the electric on, and hopefully it won't blow up. So this is the circuit board you'll get in every house. And normally if it's done properly, it'll have like little stickers: upstairs lighting, downstairs lighting, security alarm, smoke alarm, etc. So we turned off the upstairs lighting, but if you want to be safe, you know, you could turn the main switch off. You killed it for the whole house. Or if you definitely know, you know, when we switch this down, it switched off all the lights upstairs. But yeah, if you want it to be super safe, just turn the whole electric off for the whole board. But anyway, we'll put these back up. We'll go and see if this light has worked. Going. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Just so you know, this is the old one. It's totally the same. It's just the 3 pins that are different. I did speak to a friend of mine who's an electrician just to confirm with him, and he said it's just kind of a way of tying you into those 3-pin bulbs, but other than that, it's just your standard 2 wires into the top. It's exactly the same. Any questions, put them in the comments. Thank you.